Picture your morning, makeup done, it looks gorgeous. You took a selfie because you were feeling yourself. Then you fast forward to lunch. You check your camera and your face has gone full pumpkin, orange. And the wild part, it wasn't orange in the bottle, so what happened? Today I'll tell you why and fix it on camera with one drop. Welcome back to Spicy Undertones, the why behind every fix for tan, brown, and deep skin. And listen, I'm 61. I was fixing orange foundation before half these brands even existed. So if you caught the color wheel video, you know where this is going. And if not, no stress, I'll catch you up. Here's what's going on, and it's two things together. A lot of deeper shades are built with extra warm pigment, red and orange, to read rich. On its own, that runs a little warm. Second, the sneaky one is oxidation. Your foundation mixes with your oils and a little air, and over a few hours, it deepens and warms up. That's just chemistry, and I've watched it on my own face 1,000 times. Put those two together, and by lunch, you've tipped into the orange area. It's not you. It's not a bad product. It's color doing what color does. Remember our one rule, opposites cancel. Too much orange, then you look straight across the wheel. Orange's opposite is blue. A tiny touch of blue pulls all that warmth back to a neutral shade. Let me show you. I'm using a blue mixing pigment, pure pigment drops made to customize foundation, and they're just a few dollars. Golden rule of mixing, a little goes a long, long way. We're not pouring, we only need one drop. Here's my foundation on the back of my hand. Watch, one drop. You swirl it in with a clean brush. See how that loud orange? It just calms down. It pulls back to a balanced true depth. Too far with the blue and it goes gray. So start with one drop and build only if you need it. One drop at a time, every time. Look, if you don't have any mixing pigments yet, that's okay. You've probably got a backup. A cool or blue-based corrector does a gentler version of the same job. But for the cleanest fix, the blue drop is the move. Let me give you a note for my deeper skin friend, because I always want you covered. Blue is still your opposite. You're just balancing a richer base into a bigger amount of product. So you need to blend it evenly so it doesn't go patchy. Same rules, scale to you. Mix it fully before it even touches your face. Look, side by side. This one untouched, that orange creeping in. This one has one drop of blue. Same face, same light. That's not a different product. That's color theory doing the work. So to recap, your foundation goes orange because it starts a touch warm, then oxidizes through the day. The fix is blue, one drop at a time. Build slowly, mix fully. You just took back a bottle that used to control you. Next time, the other side. When your makeup goes gray, ashy, and flat, and how to bring that glow right back. So save this for your next foundation run. Drop a comment if yours goes orange so I know I'm not alone out here, and I'll see you in the next one. And that's the spicy truth. Stay spicy.